This is good, so tasty, moist, spongy. I love it. I can confirm that this cake, the recipe is just legit. The recipe is just the bomb recipe, and I think you should try it. So I'm here to share with you the exact measurements that I used for my recipe, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. So this is just an overview of the ingredients that I'm going to be using in today's recipe, and I'll start by adding my half cup of flour. I'll go in with half a cup of sugar. I'm going to add in about a quarter cup of cocoa powder, and this is the unsweetened cocoa powder. I'm also going to add about half a teaspoon of baking soda. Then I'm going to mix this well. Also, you can substitute self-raising flour with the normal all-purpose flour, and then you're going to add about a teaspoon of baking powder. Also, you can notice that I'm going to be using my beater for the hand mixer because I do not have a whisk. I'll proceed to add my quarter cup of cooking oil, that is vegetable oil, about 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and for this recipe it calls for about half a cup of hot boiling water, and I'm going to add my 1 teaspoon of coffee to the hot boiling water, and then you're going to add it to your mixture. Then you come in with 1 egg, and then lastly I'm going to add in my flavor, and today's flavor I'm using vanilla. Then I'm going to mix this until everything is well combined. I'm going to be using this for the baking today, and this is a 6-inch pan, and I'm going to tap it on the countertop, and then I'll proceed to bake it at 165 degrees for about 35 minutes. Then I'll be back when the cake is cooled. So for today I'm icing my cake with some buttercream, and as you can see I've already made my buttercream, and the recipe to this buttercream is in another video that I'm going to upload it sooner or later, and I'm just going to be icing the top part of the cake. So it's nothing complicated, it's just applying and spreading, and yeah. So this is the detailed tutorial of my chocolate cake, my moist chocolate cake recipe, and I hope you're going to try it. So I'm also going to link the video to this mukbang in the top comments or in the description box, and be sure to check it out. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one. But before I tell you a bye, always remember, no matter what you're going through, first eat and you'll thank me later. And at times haikuangi stress konayo, ninja tu inakusumbua. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Waiter, kuja ufunge hii.